Hi guys, it's Miss Helen. I miss you guys so much and I just wanted to come back and bring you guys some treats that you guys can make at home with your parents. Make sure you get your parents' permission, of course. You do not need the oven for this, but you will need the microwave. If you do not have a microwave, you can always have your parents melt the marshmallows on the stove, very low heat so it doesn't burn. But if you do have a microwave, great, because that's what we're going to use today. So the first thing you'll need is marshmallows, obviously. So I have 4 cups of mini marshmallows, or just a bag of marshmallows is perfectly fine. Like, so you don't have to really measure it, but you know, I did take out a few marshmallows. So if you have more marshmallows, that's always good. And then you'll need butter, okay? So with the butter, you will need 3 tablespoons of butter. If you have margarine or a substitute of butter, that is perfectly fine to do as well. So you do about 3 tablespoons of that, okay? And put the rest away. And then we're gonna put this in the microwave for 2 minutes. And then we need to have a spatula or something ready to stir as soon as it gets out, okay guys? All right. And you see it go in. Okay, now that it's out of the microwave, we're just gonna stir. Stir it up. Okay, and then we want to quickly add our cereal treats. Our cereal, if you have, now this is a perfect time to also add in anything else you might have. I like dried cranberries. You could add dried blueberries or other fruits that you like. This is the perfect time. You can add chocolate chips. You can also add sprinkles, whatever your heart's desire is, okay? And it's very sticky, so try to work quickly. And this is a perfect time for kids to help, and they can stir it up. Okay, so once your cereal mixture are all mixed in, you might have a few overboard, mix them back in as long as your table's clean. Okay, what you want is you want to have a dish ready, and you should spray it beforehand. I did not. Spray it, or you can just butter it and grease it. This will help. And then pour it in, okay? This is the perfect thing to do together as a family. Just making the sweet treats and then digging in maybe after dinner or in the afternoon for a nice snack. So quick, so easy, not complicated, and you can change up whatever you like. All right, and then what I like to do is you want to press it. So I'm going to spray my hands with a little bit of the butter. You could just rub your hands in a little bit of butter or oil and just press it, okay? You want to press it down so that it gets all compact, so when you cut it, they stay nice and square, okay? And that is pretty much it. Like, you're done. Like, you want them to cool down a little bit, few minutes at least. If not, you can store them in a Ziploc bag, have them tomorrow. They will last all week if they last at all. So this was Miss Helen's Rice Krispie treats. I hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe below. And to my CV friends, I miss you so much, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye, guys.